Hey, welcome back to DIY with Sav. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious spicy chicken. Enjoy. All right. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to make little slits using a knife. We're going to squeeze saw lime. Ground ginger, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Chicken masala. Now, chicken masala is available in any grocery store. 1 teaspoon again. Of course, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala, which is available in any grocery store. Some Kashmiri chili powder, depending on how spicy you want it. I'm using half teaspoon here. Turmeric. Again, half teaspoon. Sea salt. Of course, this is salt to taste. I'm going to use Greek plain yogurt. I'm being very generous with the yogurt, probably around 2.5 tablespoons. And then next, you just have to mix well. Make sure it's nicely mixed so that the sour lime and all the spices, including the yogurt, mix well with the chicken. And of course, the slicing it with making little slits on the chicken using the knife to help it penetrate all the pieces. Next up, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting the chicken in an air fryer. As you can see me just layering the chicken in an air fryer. Temperature for the air fryer is going to be 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Once 12 minutes has gone by, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the chicken over and I'm going to put it back into the air fryer for the remaining 13 minutes on 360 once again. After 25 minutes is done, I'm going to remove it, and then of course the chicken is done, and I'm just going to make sure it's yep, perfect. Looks so good. It's got a little bit of nice like barbecue to it. Looks amazing. Very happy with the outcome of this chicken. Gonna be putting it in a little bowl just to taste and see what it tastes like. Oh wow, look at that. It's way too hot actually. You can't really touch it. But I'm so eager and just can't wait. As you can tell, it's way too hot. But hey, then finally, look at that. That's beautiful. Perfectly cooked. It looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in and can't wait to taste it actually. And also, wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Beautiful, perfectly cooked inside, juicy, moist. That's how you want it. You don't want a chicken that's dry. It looks so good. And like I said, I can't wait to dig in. Wow. Amazing. Amazing if you ask me. And here I am. Look at the lad. He's just enjoying himself. He's in chicken heaven. He's getting his proteins for the day, but he's totally in chicken heaven. That geezer is really munching down on those chicken pieces. Yeah, as you can tell, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that chicken. So happy with the outcome. Juicy, moist. That's how you want a chicken. You want it dry. And oh yeah, can't get enough of it. And of course, can't wait to give those thumbs up. And there you have it, delicious spicy chicken in a jiffy. If you found the video useful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's DIY with Sav. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.